Welcome to 13 Clapperton Drive in Ajax. Glorious 4+2 bedroom, 6 washroom, executive home perfect for the entrepreneurs in the family. Right away you will notice the stunning interlocking and total landscaping that makes this home command presence and stand out from the rest. There's absolutely no maintenance required here. The amazing exterior leads you into multiple directions. Be invited onto the welcoming porch, be welcomed into the professionally finished basement with separate entrance and legal zoning, which allows your home-based business or legal apartment, or be lured into the spectacular interlocked backyard with deck. Instantly fall in love with the spectacular home. Be greeted through the grand entrance into the welcoming foyer. Notice the warmth and quality of the hardwood flooring throughout this home. Admire the open concept layout and workmanship of the crown molding and other finishes. It's fit for a king. This spacious home has room for everyone. A sunshine-filled living room, an oversized open concept dining room, and a gorgeous and cozy family space with a gas fireplace. It's so snuggly and inviting. The fantastic eat-in kitchen showcases upgraded appliances, soft closing cabinetry with under-mounted lighting, and a walkout that leads out to the deck, a huge feature of the fenced-in backyard. Spend your summer away reading in the sun and taking time to do your own thing under the gazebo and store your things in the outdoor shed. The second floor has 4 spacious bedrooms with large closets and access to washrooms. The oversized primary bedroom features a walk-in closet with custom built-ins and a newly reformed lavish 5-piece ensuite with a roomy glass shower, double sinks, heated flooring, and a separate soaker tub. 13 Clapperton Drive is fit for nobility. It's an urban fortress. It's grounded and secure. From the superior spray foam insulation, fire-rated double-thick drywall, smart switches, security cameras, and video intercom system, it's perfect to keep your family and home business safe and notified. There's just so much going on for this amazing palace. Every detail of this property has been upgraded and cared for with love. It's a foundational rock that has been polished into a spectacular diamond that presents itself to you today. Don't miss out. Call today for a viewing.